Good afternoon, boys and girls. So today we're going to go back and work on our base 10 and 1's place value. We're going to start off by reading the book A Fair Bear Share by Stuart Murphy, illustrated by John Spears. Mama Bear said to her 4 little cubs, "If you collect enough nuts, berries, and seeds, then tonight I'll bake my special blue ribbon blueberry pie, and you'll each get a fair bear share." The cubs went to the forest where there were lots of sweet-tasting nuts. 3 of them worked very hard, but the 4th little bear just wanted to play. She climbed trees, she swung from branches. She didn't even look for one nut. The cubs ran home and gave their baskets to Mama Bear. She said, "If we put the nuts in groups of 10 and put the ones that are left over next to the other groups, then we can quickly add them up." So, the first bear had 11 nuts, the second cub had 14, and the third cub had 12. So I'm going to need a volunteer to come up and put 11 ones up on the board. The student will then come up, grab the ones tile, and put 11 nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then I would ask them to regroup them. Is there any that could be transferred over to the 10s? They will then count out 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take them off the board. Grab a 10s tile and place it on. From there, I can sit there and say, now we have 1 10s and 1 1. They would then move it up on the board, and we will continue with the next bear who had 14. Another student will come up, put 14 ones on the ones place value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And once more, they will count off 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And take a 10's place value coin and put it on top. We are now left with 1 10's and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. They will then, once more, move them on top and continue on with the next little bear who had 12. Another volunteer will come up and put 12 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And count them off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And place 1. Now we're left with 1 10 and 2 1s. Now I would ask the class how many 10s and how many 1s are left over. They will then say there are 3 10s and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 1s, making that a total of 37. From there, we would continue on with the story of A Fair Bear Share. And after that, we would then discuss as a group how this works, the base 10 value system, and then in their own table groups, they will come up with 3 problems, but only come up and show 1 to explain to the class how their number is broken up by 10s and 1s. From there, as a whole class, we will gather items such as notepads, pencils, paper, and then divide them into set values. That way, they have a hands-on approach to the place value system. And as an exit ticket, we will use 3 questions on a piece of paper that they will underneath basically have a setup like this, where there will be the number up top, and then they would have to break it up by writing how many 10s and how many 1s are needed to put together to make the whole.